Yes, in fact, this 21 opposition parties have moved the Supreme Court on the EVMs and VVPATs. So this petition led by Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, all leaders, Congress, DMK, left parties, NCP, and National Conference, all are petitioners in this case. Basically, they want more security norms for EVM, and also interestingly for VVPAT, they say at least 50% of the VVPAT should be counted and tallied with the EVMs. So, but as far as the Election Commission is concerned, they've already given this issue to the Indian Statistical Institute so that they wanted how many VVPATs, whether it is 10% or 5%, how can be counted and tallied with the EVMs. They are waiting for the Indian Statistical Institute report. So once it comes, the Election Commission sources told NDTV they would accept that. So anyway, tomorrow Chief Justice bench would be taking up this case. Interestingly, Sarah, a few weeks back before the Madhya Pradesh State Assembly elections, Kamal Nath also petitioned the Supreme Court saying that minimum 10% of the VVPAT should be tallied with the EVM counting. But Supreme Court rejected that.